and Jewelry. Today we're going to show you how to test to see if your belongings are really gold and really silver. So business partner here, Chuck, is going to be doing the testing for us today. We have a fake ring, we have a 14 karat gold ring, and we have a sterling silver 925 chain, and he's going to use the acids and explain what we do from there.
Well, first you need to have a kit that has the appropriate strength of acids and a slate stone to scratch them on. First we're going to start with a fake gold ring. Now looking at it, it looks real shiny, looks like it could be real gold. But you're going to scratch deep enough to leave enough of the material on the surface of the stone. For gold, unless it's marked inside, I like to test with the weakest acid first, which is for 10K. And we're going to put a line of that on there. And what you're looking for is you're looking for the material underneath to resist the acid. And if you can see that acid for 10K just ate that right up. Nothing left underneath. So we would, at that point, we would say, nope, that's no good. That's a reject. So we're going to test this piece now. Little gold ring. Now this is kind of ugly, but it is marked 14 karat. So again, we're going to put enough pressure to scratch to get a good size smear. We can put a spot of the 10 karat acid on it. And as you can see, it resists dissolving from the acid. Now we're going to try the one designed for 14 karat. Now it too should resist. And as you can see, that's resisting. And then here we always test to failure. So now the last step, we're going to take the acid designed for 18 karat. And we're going to make sure that it does actually eat it up. So we're going to go right down the middle. And as you can see, that puts a nice clean line, removes the material from the middle. So we're real confident with that it's 14 karat because it resists the 14 but dissolves at 18. The next thing we're going to show you is how we test for sterling silver. Unfortunately, the acids that we use do not tell us that it is truly 925, which is the 925 parts per 1,000 for sterling silver, but the acids will test for the presence of silver. So we have something here that we know is silver, and again, we're going to take a nice healthy scratch. We've cleaned in between. Cleanliness on your stone is paramount. And we're going to have a nice amount of material there. Now we're going to take the acid that's designed for 18 karat, which is fairly strong. And what we're looking for is not so much eating it up, but a color change reaction. And after you get good at this, you can actually tell how much silver is present by how much depth of color, a nice bluish white color. And as you can see, we've got that color change. It changed to a nice bluish white, so we can say, yes, there is a presence of silver. And I can tell you with confidence that that is very close to 925. And that's how we test for gold and silver at Main Street Coin and Jewelry.